Welcome to another product review from Butcher BBQ. Today's product review is over our brand new Queen Bee Honey Rub. We've taken our Honey Rub product and expanded the flavors to 6 brand new flavors, and the one we're going to go over today is Queen Bee. Let's start with the packaging itself. On this side, we have our nutrition panel, the ingredient statement, any allergens, our address, and the UPC. This product is MSG free and gluten free. On the front of it, we have our logo along with a honey skewer, just kind of show you that. It's dripping from our label to show you the sweetness. And as it says right there on the front, this is our Honey Rub series, 1 of 6. This is a Queen Bee Honey Rub, and this is a 12-ounce shaker bottle. On this side, we have our Pitmaster logo and a brief description, if you're in a store and can't see this video, about what this Honey Rub is, our name, and then some icons of some suggested use on it. Now, like I said, this is a plastic bottle. The lid, open it up and you can see the shaker holes, and then it flips up to where you can sift it out with a spoon if needed. As always, let's open it up. Let's get an aroma smell of it. Man, I can pick up, it smells kind of, I want to say like some herbs or something like that. But let's get a flavor. Let's taste it and see what it comes out tasting like. Oh, I get that great sweetness right up front from the Honey Rub side of it. And a very good flavor of rosemary, of some thyme. There is a little bit of a citrus aspect, and I believe it's a lemon zest is what I'm tasting. But yeah, man, what a great flavor as we go through it. The products that you can use this on, man, will be chicken, pork chops, pork loin, pork roast, tenderloin, any kind of fish, seafood, shrimp, lobster. I think this would be a great item that could be, you could take this and put it directly into a breading and use it for breading your fish. If you want to chicken fry your pork chops, you could add this directly to the breading for pan frying, something like that. Especially in a chicken. If you're going to make fried chicken, this would be an awesome product in a fried chicken based product. You can locate this product on our website under Rubs and Seasonings, or go to your favorite Butcher BBQ retail outlet, any of the stores that we service. Ask the manager, where's the barbecue products? Ask them for the Butcher BBQ and our Honey Rub series. This product also comes in a 2-pound bulk bag for those that's running catering or just likes the product and want to buy it in bulk. Thanks.